Hook. What if you could click one button, drop in a messy idea, and get backup? Ready to record short script with hook, structure and call to action in your style. In this video I'll show you how to build a simple one-click AI micro-automation that turns raw ideas into scripts you can use today. Value. Step 1. Define the exact input and output. Your input is rough idea plus target audience. Your output is 40-second spoken script with hook, 3 value points, and CTA. Open your AI tool or automation platform and create a prompt template that says, "You are my script assistant for short videos. My audience is described." Using the idea below, write a 40-second script with a strong first line, clear structure and simple language. This becomes the engine of your system. Step 2. Standardize your style. Take 3 to 5 of your previous scripts or video transcripts and paste them into ChatGPT with the instruction, analyze my tone, typical phrases and structure. Summarize rules you notice and use them for all future scripts. Now your one-click system will not just write generic content, it will try to match your voice. Step 3. Connect collection and output. Use a simple form, Notion button or automation tool where you paste your idea. During the day, behind the scenes that idea is sent to your AI prompt, processed, and returned as a full script in a ready-to-record folder or note. When it's time to film, you open that folder and just pick what to record, instead of brainstorming from scratch. CTA. If you want me to share the exact prompt template and layout I use for this one-click idea to script system, save this video and comment, one click, so I know to walk through the setup in detail.